Hello everyone, welcome back to the Himanshu Naga YouTube channel. It's been an incredible journey exploring the world and showcasing the breathtaking moments with all of you. I am Himanshu Naga. Today we are hitting the reset button to embark the new chapter together. It's been 6 months that we have started this journey, and I can't thank you enough for being the part of this journey. Today, I want to share what you can expect from this Himanshu Naga channel moving forward too. We have explored some beautiful places together, but this is just the beginning. I have big plans to take you along with as I explore the world and showcase the beauty which is often goes unnoticed. And for all the aspiring filmmakers, I have bigger plans for you as well. I, I'll bring in-depth filmmaking tutorials as well as I'll review some latest camera equipment. So drop your ideas in the comment down below. Let's just make this journey more incredible together. I want this channel to be a community, a place where we can share our passion for travel, filmmaking, and everything else in between. I'm always open for your suggestions. Give your ideas in the comments below. Let's make this journey even more incredible together. In the coming week, get ready for an adventure to explore Canada. Yes, I've moved to Canada. I can't wait to bring you along and share the hidden gems this world has to offer to us. Before we go, I want to express my gratitude. Your support means the world to me. I am committed to deliver the content that inspires you and entertains you. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification for the notifications you'll get. It will truly help the channel grow. Thank you for being the part of Himanshu Naga family. The best is yet to come, and I can't wait to share these adventures with all of you.